My dear children, I welcome you all to the science class. So this is your first class of science and hope you all are interested to see what are there inside the science book. So without any delay, let us see what we will learn in science. So let us proceed to our class and see the chapters which we will learn in your science book. So the first chapter is from unit 1, food. Okay, so the name of the chapter is animals feeding habits. Here we will learn about the different types of animals based on their feeding habits. That means the type of food they eat. We will differentiate the animals based on the type of food they eat. Okay, so next chapter is from unit 2, materials. So the name of the chapter is soil, where we will learn how the soil is formed. Okay, different types of soil, and we know that different crops grow in different types of soil. So these are the things which we will learn in unit 2, materials, chapter 2, soil. So the next chapter is from unit 2, materials only, that is chapter 3, safety and first aid. You know about safety and first aid, right? We need to take different types of safety in order to be safe from different types of accidents. So you can see in the picture also that there are various rules and we need to keep away ourselves from the accident that can be occurred. Yes, and for this there are various type of rules, that for example walking in the zebra crossing, walking in the footpath. So next chapter from unit material is chapter 4, housing and clothing, where we will learn about the different types of houses, kacha house, pakka house, and the importance of houses. Okay, so the next chapter is from unit 3, the world of the living. So the name of the chapter is living and non-living things. Living and non-living things, you have been doing differentiating living and non-living things from your very early class, right? Very small age, you know what are living things and what are non-living things. So in this class, in this chapter, we will differentiate, or we will learn about living things and non-living things. So the next chapter is from unit 3 only, the world of the living, chapter 6, birds. Okay, where we will learn about the birds and the parts, the body parts of the birds, and the things, the fact that helps bird to fly. We know that we can't fly, but the birds can fly. So in this chapter we will also learn how birds are able to fly. So the next chapter is from unit 3 only, the world of the living, and that is very interesting part, that is the parts of the plant. So children, you all know that we have seen plants all around us. We see every day plants all around us. Yes, we see different types of plants. Some plants are very big, tall, strong, and some plants are weak, and some plants are of bushy in nature. Yes, so in chapter 7 we will learn about different parts of the plant. You all know that we get flowers from the plant, we get fruits from the plant, there are leaves on the plant, so there are roots on the plant. So we learn about these parts in chapter 7. Now chapter 8, children, is from unit 3 only, that is body system. Okay, our body is made up of different system. Yes, so about this body system we will learn in brief in chapter 8. So the next chapter you will learn is from unit 4, moving things, people and ideas. So the chapter is chapter 9, Light, Sound and Force. So here we will learn about the three things, that is light, how it is, how about the object which gives out light, okay, and the object which cannot give out light, sound, how the sound is produced, and the force, okay, the push, the pull. So these are the things we will learn in chapter 9. And chapter 10 is from unit 4 only, moving things, people and ideas, that is chapter 10, measurements. So measurement you do in your math also. Yes, we will learn about measurements of different length, yes, weight and capacity or volume. So next chapter is from unit 5, natural phenomena. So that is chapter 11, air, water and weather. Here we will learn about air, what is water, what are the sources of water, and what is weather, okay, how the weather is changing. So all these things we will learn in chapter 11, air, water and weather. So the next chapter is children, from unit 5 only, natural phenomena, that is the sun and the moon, and chapter 13, the earth. So in chapter 12 we will learn about the sun and the moon. We know that there are three important things in the when we look up in the sky: the sun, which shines very brightly during the daytime; the moon, which shines during the night time, and millions of stars are there, right? So in chapter 12 we will learn about the sun and the moon, and chapter 13 we will learn about our planet. What is the name of our planet? Yes, the name of the planet is earth. So chapter 13 is the earth. So we will learn about our earth in chapter 13. So this is the end of the video, children. So whenever you're watching the video, please open the content of the book. So after watching the video, you can just turn the pages of the book and see the pictures. You will learn many things from the pictures also, okay? So that's this much for today's class, children. I will see you in the next class, where we will start the first chapter. So thank you, class. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.